Hello, I'm Max Steele, and this is Ready News. The Supreme Court issued two significant rulings on Friday, marking important victories for defendants in high-profile cases. Firstly, in a 6-3 decision, the court sided with a participant in the January 6, 2021 Capitol riot who contested his conviction on federal obstruction charges. The ruling narrowed the interpretation of a federal statute that criminalizes the corrupt alteration, destruction, or concealment of records, documents, or objects with the intent to impair their integrity or availability for official proceedings. The court criticized the lower court for interpreting the law too broadly, potentially encompassing peaceful but disruptive conduct. Consequently, the case has been remanded to the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals for reconsideration in light of the Supreme Court's decision. Secondly, the Supreme Court, in a 6-2 decision with Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson not participating, ruled in favor of fishermen challenging a long-standing legal doctrine that they argued gave excessive regulatory power to federal agencies. Specifically, the court invalidated a federal rule by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration (NOAA) that required fishermen to pay $700 per day for at-sea monitors. This decision marks a rejection of the Chevron doctrine, a legal principle from the 1980s that had instructed courts to defer to agencies' interpretations of their statutory authority when issuing regulations, as long as those interpretations were reasonable and Congress had not directly addressed the issue. The court's ruling is viewed as a setback for expansive administrative authority and a victory for those advocating for stricter limits on agency power. These rulings underscore the Supreme Court's role in shaping the boundaries of federal law and regulatory authority, with implications for both criminal proceedings and administrative governance. For Ready News, I'm Max Steele.